Hi, I'm Michelle. Welcome to Caplena. Are you looking for a solution that will help you turn your open-ended survey responses into insights? You're in luck. Caplena is the only AI text analysis platform that was designed with and built for market research agencies. And just like you, FactWorks came to us with a clear problem. They had too many open ends and too little time. By using Caplena, they were able to cut their turnaround time in half. This allowed them to deliver insights much faster while decreasing spending significantly. If you work for a market research agency, no matter if small, mid-sized or large, or if you were simply disappointed by other AI text analysis tools before, stay with me and find out how you can achieve ultra-fast turnaround times without compromising on quality. But first, let's take a step back. Why are we bothering with open ends in the first place? Well, for one, buyers love it. Results are less biased, more relevant, and they feel much more approachable. Respondents love short surveys. But what about the researchers? Well, they do like the easy to create surveys, but they usually don't like the associated costs. So what's the business case here? It's simple. Caplena is a great time saver. And depending on your use case, it will let you create insights from 3 up to 30 times faster. This will allow you to cut 30 to 80% of your current coding costs. And I haven't yet mentioned the Streamline Experience, nor the most common feedback that we get, which is, this was surprisingly fun. You might ask, what about the quality though? Caplena uses modern machine learning, but it makes sure that the researcher is always in control. As a result, it augments researchers to create deeper insights and thus creating more value for their customers. So what's next? Get started today and try Caplena for free. Experience yourself how easy it is to turn your open ends into impressive insights.